Hello everybody, it's Ronnie with Whip&Chain. I work with Maggie and Lauren to bring you crochet tutorials. Tonight we have a beautiful Prism granny square and I love it. It's a very simple pattern, just some puff stitches and double and single crochet. It's not hard. If you follow along you should have no trouble with this. And I'm continuing using my scrap yarn, and I'm using my 5mm crochet hook. And I did want to mention this square definitely has a wrong and a back and a front side. Okay, so here we go with my hook. And we're going to chain 5. 5. And I want you to slip stitch to the first chain. Okay, and you're creating a circle, a ring. Just chain 1, and then we're going to go right into our puff stitches. Wrap your hook, go in, grab yarn and come on up and pull up. Wrap again. That's 2. Wrap again. That's 3. Wrap again. That's 4. Wrap again. So it's 5 times of wrapping and going back in your loop, okay? Wrap your hook and go through every one of those. And then after you come through, I want you to wrap your hook and go through and lock that in. And chain 1. Let's make another one. Wrap your hook. Go in, come on up. Wrap your hook. Go in, come on up. Oh, I didn't count. I have to count or I guessed wrong. Let's try it. I'm going to count, but just watch. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wrap your hook and you go through all your loops. Wrap and lock it in and then chain 1. Let's do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wrap your hook, go through every one of them, wrap and go through to lock it, and chain 1. So we need a total of 8 of these, and I'll see at the end of that. Okay, after you have your 8, then you just slip stitch right to that first stitch. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Chain 1. And we're gonna do a puff stuff, but be careful, puff stitch. Careful you don't go into where you connected. Make sure you go in that gap, okay? So same puffs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wrap, go through all, lock it, and chain 1. And now we're going to put a second one in there. Wrap, go back in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go through all, lock it, and chain 1. And then you just move to your next one and you put 2 in there. So in every chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In every chain, we're going to be putting 2 puff stitches in. Okay? same as the first row. It's just we're doubling. All right, I'll see you at the end of this round. Okay, after you come around, it should look like this. And then all I need you to do is slip stitch to your first stitch. It's there. It might take a little bit to get you through it, but it's there, I promise. And then just chain one, and you can cut this yarn for now. All right. Now I'm grabbing my white, but I would love you guys to do all your own color combinations because I would love to see what you do, the choices and how you made it. So just pick a chain area to go in and attach your hook and chain one. And there you go. Now chain 3, 2 and 3, put another double crochet in there. Oh, I'm off the camera, I apologize. Chain 2 and put 2 more double crochets in there. And the next chain, I want you to put in 3 half doubles. 1, 2, and 3. I'm dropping my crochet hooks everywhere. Okay. In your next chain area, put another 3 half doubles. 1, 2, and 3. And one more. The next one, put 3 half doubles. 1, 2, and 3. Now we'll be doing another corner right here. The corner is 2 double crochets. Chain 2. And 2 doubles. And then again in the next 3, you put 3 half doubles, and that's the pattern for this row. So it's 3 sets of half doubles, and then you do a corner, which is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. All right, I'll see you at the end. Okay, coming around. So you did, oh, I messed up. See, I only did 2. Did I do 2? No, I did 3. I think I took it out. See, I love you guys watching this stuff. I know it sounds really, really silly, but because you're yeah, I did. Because you're seeing this, you can see that all of us make mistakes. Sometimes I make a little more than my share, I think, but that's all right. That's just a piece of who I am. But I like you seeing it because it lets you know that, you know, it happens. Miscounts happen or an extra stitch happens, and sometimes you can roll with it, and other times you got to frog it out quick and fix it. And sometimes it's not a quick fix, but needless to say, sometimes you just need to do that. And there we go. Now, I will finish this round and I will see you back. All right. I am finally coming around for the correct time. And when you finish this row, all you have to do is slip stitch to your chain 3. Just like that. And right here, all you do is chain 3 now. And you put 1 double crochet in every stitch except the corners, and the corners will be the same. There are 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. And don't forget that stitch right in there. So just go on around, and I will see you at the end. Take your time. Make sure you catch all your stitches, okay? Okay, come on around. Just slip stitch to your chain 3, chain 1, and cut. And you have 2 choices. You can end your granny square here if you'd like. All right. Or you can put the border on that I had. And the border is just very easy. I would suggest you start in a corner. Just chain on. Chain 1 and put in 2 single crochets. Chain 2 and 2 single crochets. And then just 1 single crochet in every stitch. Just like that. Very cool, huh? And then you just go around doing 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets in the corner, and you go all the way around. And when you do that, I think that edging just makes it pop, but that's me. Well, thank you for watching this video on the Prism Granny Square. We have many more coming for this month of September. Please join us. And also, if this video was good for you and you learned something, would you be so kind to hit that like button and subscribe button down at the bottom? And come find us on Facebook under Whip and Chain for Work in Progress and Chain. Until our next video, everybody, stay safe and happy crocheting. Bye.